Hi, and welcome to Lemma Dental Clinic. If you've discovered a cavity or think you have tooth decay, don't worry, we're here to help. Let's talk about what you should do. Tooth decay is permanent damage to your tooth caused by bacteria and acids. It starts with small holes on the surface. If untreated, it can spread deeper, leading to pain, sensitivity, or even infection. Common signs include dark spots, food getting stuck, or discomfort when eating sweets or drinking something cold. Please do not ignore it or try to treat it at home. Decay will not go away on its own. The longer you wait, the more damage it causes, and the more complex the treatment becomes. At Lemma Dental Clinic, we first examine the tooth and take x-rays if needed. If the decay is minor, we'll clean the area and place a simple filling to restore your tooth. If it's deeper, we may recommend inlays, onlays, or even root canal treatment, depending on the condition. We'll make sure that the procedure is painless and your tooth looks and functions naturally again. Catching tooth decay early makes all the difference. It's quick to treat, easy to manage, and helps you avoid bigger problems in the future. Think you have tooth decay? Don't wait. Book your appointment at Lemma Dental Clinic today. Let's protect your smile together.